you know, I keep getting more and more frustrated as we get to this home foreclosure situation. I just don't believe that we have our hands around the enormity of the problem. I mean, we're losing 6,300 homes to foreclosure every day. That's 46,000 every week. At the end of this year, it's estimated that we will lose 2.8 million homes to foreclosure. It's just staggering. And yet there seems to be a double standard here. We will throw out a strong helping hand to the banks, to the automobiles, to industry, to others that have come before here. But to the poor, struggling homeowner, we give no kind of help. We didn't give any help in the first TARP. We're doing all we can. There's a lot to say we're going to do here. Even in the economic recovery we got for it, doesn't seem like we're doing enough for that. It's sort of like you got the poor homeowner out there flailing away in the water, can't swim, he's out there drowning, just like the big banks and others. But the boat comes along and picks up the big banks, picks up the auto industry. But then he throws the poor struggling homeowner out there a book that says, learn how to swim. We've really got to change, I think, and really get big on this. Of those 2.8 million that we said will lose their homes this year, over 1 million of those will be seniors who've lost their pensions because of this, their retirements, their 401ks. What are they to do? When we look at the measure of 6,300 homes every day we're losing, that has almost been matched now by the number of jobs we're losing every day. That has gotten over 6,000 every day. So the question comes down to the fundamental question. We can dance around this all we want to. What are we going to do to keep folks in their homes that don't have, by no fault of their own? This is not somebody here who overbent or is not fulfilling his obligation. They lost their job. They've lost their 401ks. What are we going to do and structure this recovery here to help people who don't have a way of paying their mortgages beyond this business of we got to just do it to 4%? Maybe they can't even handle that. Now, President Obama has said, and I agree, and many of us have tried to push for this earlier on. The chairman said we couldn't do it at the very beginning. And that is, why not put forward a moratorium, a 90-day moratorium, till we can get our hands around the size of the problem? Now, President Barack Obama says he favors that.